guys! So pagpa... Ayan ang chef.
I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now.
We're here in the zoo. Say hi, guys. Hi. So pagpasok dahil online binili, ito.
Another one.
Wow.
Yours.
We're here. We're here. We are.
Here.
Say hi. We're here sa Brandon Burger Tour. Oh, let's rotate. Come on. Hello. There. So that's what you call the Brandon Burger Tour. Ah, nice.
Don't know anymore, on fire. Blocked your number from
Very bad. What? Ito. Yes. Nasira. Sa wali.
Parang ginawa talaga siya para dito. Tapos sinakaw siya ni
Ninakaw.
War.
You see the details of the pillar.
Okay.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I saw that. Nandito ko yung pinaya ko yung sila.
Yung view niya. Oh. Namatay nung... Really mo. Ang mga turista. Uy, mais ko yun. Mais tayong mga turista.
Maayos kami. Maayos kami.
Yeah, yutok na.
Kasi
Sige ito.
So, yan. Next destination.
next destination is fill my tummy
Matino kami.
and my salad.
So you take this one.
Crazy sauce.
Cheese fries.
Yes. Kaya nga.
Piece of one. Can we buy it?
Also the crazy sauce.
Sa wall.
Wala akong size.
Okay.
Pero hindi mo natagto.
Wala kang size.
Zero Hero. Ito, oh. Hindi mo dinala yung ano. Yung dito, oh. Like that. Uy, get it. Nice to.
You don't even make a sound. This.
Yeah.
Look. Alam mo yung teddy bear? Ayan. Teddy bear na yan.
There, oh. Ooh. So, marami din mga, actually, syempre, ito yung pinaka-main ng Germany. So, marami mga tourists, mga students. Yan.
The certificate is worth nothing. Many of us have left according to the degree of the
Si Rauno. Kita nyo sa
Mustache.
yes, nice.
What's that?
Tunnel to Sigilsäule. Yun yung pangalan niya.
Pwedeng pumasok dyan.
Pwede
Anong
nga.
sa loob?
Walk ka na dun, walk. What you'll see here is
Hindi, pumunta sa doon.
nice, right? Sana all.
baby shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever
the street na. Ayan ang checkpoint, Charlie. One, two, smile. Dito muna po tayo dun sa black box. Okay, napagod po sila sa paglalakad. So, dito muna kami.
What's up? This is my YouTube channel and I'm about to eat KFC. Like, it has the best chicken in the world and I'm not lying. So, and I am here right now and I am just waiting for my chicken and fries and my burger.
Saan ba yung ano?
Break.
Nasa checkpoint Charlie
A short break. Tastes good. Black box Cold War.
Is it the black box?
The Totten Beverly na Mawa. Ah, those who died. Yun yung si ano. Sino kasi yung kanina?
That's 20.
Pinagkakross dun sa border. Look at here. Ritter Sport. Let's check kung ano magiging magpupuhan natin dito. Let's see.
I want to make my own candy.
Let's check. Nice.
What's that?
These are
Can I go ahead and dive in?
let's check muna kung ano activities nila. Look, oo.
Okay, my favorite flavor. Can I check?
Check. Look at the different flavors. Ano ko?
My favorite flavor is someone.
Look, oh. Look at the lots of chocolates here.
Hindi mo ginawin natin dito.
Nice. Nice. Where's it na? Number 3. Then, number 4, i-roast na nila.
This way.
Taray. Mix nila. There na, dear. Oh. Wait. There, dear. Oh. Wrapping. There, open. Yes. Wala. Open. Hila. Ayun. Get one. Take one. Nice.
Can I try
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. Right. they will wrap it.
Yep.
Then you're gonna take one. Take one. Wow, nice.
Ah, dear, look. Ayun.
They're the Ritters. Oo nga.
Look at that shirt.
Get one, and then you have to press it slowly. No, pull.
Yep.
Is there coming out?
Yes, yes.
That's enough. That's enough. That's
Yeah.
enough. How about you, Kuya? You want? No?
Mami, doon. Diba?
Takbo lang.
Mami, doon. Mami.
Me.
Busog yan. Snack ka talaga.
That's just a waste. Ang waste. Kikumain niya naman siya, di ba?
Dali. Dali. Picture si Jiro. So we are... Oh! Uy, what are you doing?
I don't know, she wants me to go through.
Excuse me. Nice. Pwede naman yung mga door. Oh, let's sit down. Okay. There, you sit down. Let's sit down.
Stand.
And then...
Saan tayo mag-stop?
Yun. Yun.
S-Bahnhof Oranienburger Straße.
On our next stop, ramen. There, dito na. Hako. Look, oh. Hi, long time no see. Kumusta?
Welcome to Berkeley.
Thank you.
Ano ka ba mo?
Look, it's moving.
Dahon.
Gumagalaw. It's magic.
What kind of, is that fish?
Yes, that's an octopus. Squid. What is that?
How am I supposed to eat that now?
Wait, sure.
Ah, share tayo?
Ng ramen for the first time. For the first time, paano kumain ito? Sige, titignan mo natin sila paano kumain. Then, social climbing 101. Excellent. Hindi kasi may pag-ramen, oo ah.
Ano si Barbie din ako kumain ng first time tayo?
Ano na yun, nasa Pilipinas ako, hindi pa uso to. Samgyup lang. Yeah.
This is nam.
Me too. Ako din.
How about me?
Nice? You like the place? We're busog.
Ay, no, 5 minutes lang.
Nice, no?
Sorry, could you take us?
Ayusin mo tayo, pang Instagram yan. Museum Island ang tawag dyan.
Dito.
Where are we?
We're here.
Saan?
We're here. Here.
Nasaan?
Yung ako na doon. Yan.
Sasali ka, hindi. Kung hindi ka sasali, doon ka.
Ano po yan?
Wait ako.
Hindi ko nga din alam eh. Smile! May magkuha niya.
Kaya miss out. Punta ka dito sa Sabra.
I'm a football.
Oy, tingnan mo, malapit silang mahulog.
Sino?
Ayun oh.
Yaw sila. Sa susunod na punta natin dito. 1 hour kasi yan. Ayun no. Ang galing. Transit worm. Yan ang transit worm. Wala sa mga ano. Fry height siya.
That's Medusa.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, Medusa, the one who has a snake. Is that
Chris.
Poseidon or Neptune?
I think that's Poseidon.
Looks like Neptune.
Rotes Rat House yun. Tapos merong rat. May nabinoy na anak dyan. Yan o, iikot mo. Let's ikot. Ikot tayo. Pero, let's make ikot. Ayun o, may nagpipicture. Ang bilis ang ikot natin. Ayun na yung Manila, oh. Ayun na, Manila, oh.
Manila, oh.
Ayun na, Manila.
Ano yan?
Anong oras na yan?
1.
Yun nga. Dali. Ay, pupunta.
Kinakawayan ng Starbucks din, oh.
Pinakabayan tayo nung ano, yung iced matcha strawberry, ano. So, look at the birds. Nice. How was your Berlin trip? Is this nice? How can you rate your Berlin trip from 1 to 10?
An 8?
An 8? Kuya, how about you? Rate your Berlin from 1 to 10.
I don't know.
What nga? Ano I don't know? Hirap mong kabanding.
Para saan?
It's for my vlog.
Ikaw lang.
Ay! Nako,
Lang.
5 lang.
5 lang, hiro naman yung piece.
Tino Myla, rate your... First time mo sa Berlin, di ba?
Oo.
May souvenir ka pa eh. Dito na yun, di ba?
Hindi pa halata.
At ends our trip. Pabalik na kami sa reality.
Back to ano. Sa akin, ang bilis agad eh. Mayang gabi agad.
So, Jiro, you say my exit words. Exit words?
Hello.
You say, close it.
Okay. Keep safe and healthy. Do what makes you happy.